Designers, in this video I'm going to show you 2 tips to parlay already done for you niche research, like this one from Ryan Hogue's top 5 niches of the week, and post it on sale for Redbubble and merch by Amazon. This is the end product here. We're going to actually take the same design, choose 2 different colors, and multiply that by using different years. If you're new here, my name is Francis from Parlay Designs. I design and sell t-shirts online, and my passion is to help non-designers start doing the same. Remember, done is better than perfect, and if you design, you're a designer. Now on with the show. Alright, here we are on the Over app. And this one, I'll be honest with you, is a throwback to a shirt I had from Gap. It had an eagle on the front. It was a red shirt and a blue eagle. I want to say it said freedom, but this one here reminds me, the slogan, Old Balls Club, for some reason seems to match with an eagle. So I'm going to run with this. I'm going to arc the text for the top part, copy it, and then curve it the opposite direction. So, official member of the Old Balls Club. Hit the like and throw me a comment in there. Tell me what year you were established in. If you were in '76, high five, shout out to you. This one's for you. Established 1976. We're gonna duplicate that and type it out. The yellow line there shows that it's centered with the opposite text. So as a designer, you want everything to be lined up and aesthetically pleasing. And of course, all these graphics here come with the app. Free commercial use once you're a paid member. There's a lot of open space above the eagle, so we're gonna put some stars there. You know me and stars. That fills up a lot of my empty space on some of my designs, but this one here seems to match it really well. You might ask yourself, when you see the top 5 niches of the week, which one should I do? Where do I start? I say just choose one. This one just happened to be a funny one for me, so I chose number 4. Check out Ryan's video. I'll put the link on the bottom. He has some in there that I wouldn't touch. Do your own research on it too, but this one here I'm going to post to merch and also Redbubble. But I want to protect my merch by Amazon account and not get any potential rejections, so I'm going to leave this one or the other niches that he found out of it. But yeah, check out his video. This is here now, the merch by Amazon upload page, and I'm going to show you how to basically upload the design, but without thinking. You already know that shirts are selling, and we're just going to copy and paste the descriptions that they have based on the success that they have. So we're just gonna mimic that. I deselect the youth because I don't want any of the youth shirts being kind of vulgar with the slogan here. Funny slogan, but we want to keep the kids out of it, and of course avoid a rejection. Here we are, cutting and pasting from shirts that have proven that they have sold. So we're just gonna copy the name, of course the birth year, put that all in the title. So we chose one design. We have 2 different colors, black and white, and we have multiple years. I did 1971, 75, 80, and 81. So someone hit me up in the comments, tell me how many designs that already is just off of one concept, one niche, and then times that by 2 because I'm putting it on merch and Redbubble. But that's not going to stop there. We're going to put it on Etsy, Spreadshirt, other print-on-demand websites. So with one product, you could be on multiple sites, make different colors. You're gonna multiply that, and of course, there's a birthday happening every year, so we're gonna put as many years as we can. Changing the price point, and it shows you how much your royalties will be. This is the final post for Redbubble. Trust me, yours is going to be way better than this. Experience makes you better, so just keep practicing. Take all of his niches and make a design for it. You don't necessarily have to post it. And like he always says, Ryan Hogue always says, do your due diligence and check to see if it's trademarked. I went ahead and checked this one if it was trademarked, but standing ovation for you for getting it completed, and we'll see you on the next video.